In this short video, we're going to create a new JavaScript file. This file will hold a collection of JavaScript functions that will be used to deal with events as the weather site is expanded and more functionality is added. Begin by creating a new JavaScript file in the JavaScript folder of the weather site. Name the new file functions.js. In the new file, add at the top UseStrict inside of single or double quotes followed by a semicolon. This line serves a large variety of purposes. See the official documentation using the URL shown on the screen. In short, it directs the JavaScript engine within the browser to treat all JavaScript in strict mode rather than sloppy mode. Be aware that some JavaScript linters will indicate that the UseStrict Declaration should be used as a function. You can ignore this. Next, connect the file to the web page, doing so at the bottom of the page, but inside the closing body tag. Finally, add a comment beneath the UseStrict Declaration indicating the use of this page. Be sure to save your work.